Hi, I'm Luke with Broadway Home Medical, and today I'm going to be showing you guys Pride's brand new GoGo Elite Traveler 2. So this is Pride's brand new line that they started producing, and if I'm going to be honest with you, I haven't seen this thing before myself, so we're going to be learning some things together. So first thing what we'll do is just simply cut the box top open. The first thing you'll see is the manuals. Some accessories, such as your basket, your armrest, your chargers, your seat post, and some more trash. The next layer that we get to, you'll find your battery box. And whenever you get these out, typically what I always suggest is go into your tiller, loosening it up, pulling your tiller up, so you can simply pull the plastic away. With the new GoGo Elite Traveler 2, the seat should come in the scooter box. We'll just simply lift this up and out until we're ready to install this. We'll have some more trash. And now we're at the base of the scooter. So once you get here, you'll simply just lift it up and lift it out of the box. Easiest way to get the plastic off is put your scooter in neutral, so you can simply slide it on back to remove all the plastic. Go ahead and throw some of this trash away to make our workspace a little bit neater. And then just move that off to the side. Now, since we have a nice clean work area, what I typically suggest people do, start with your seat post. So you'll find that whenever you first open the box, it'll come in a thing of plastic. We'll take this out enough. And with these seat posts, you can actually adjust the height of the seat with these little holes that are in the seat post. We'll start off the seat post at a lower position, but you go to your owner's manual. You should find some accessories in there for your pins to actually put the pin through to secure the seat post into the scooter. The holes will be located on the side of the seat post. You'll just find the adjustment you like, put the pin through, and make sure it's secured. The next thing we'll do is to put in the battery box. This will give your power to your scooter. The next thing we'll do is put the seat onto the seat post. So they do have a lot of similarities from the GoGo Elite Traveler 2 and the GoGo Elite Traveler. So just like before, you'll have your seat adjustment off to the right. This is where you can swivel your seat. It's just a different seat that they have. So once it's locked in there, it's not rotating, you're good to go. Simply fold this back, and then we'll start with the armrest next. Now with the armrest, they can only go in one way. So we'll put this off to the left side. On the back of your seat, you'll see these knobs for the adjustments, so that way you can actually get the armrest back into the seat. Once you push it in, once again, we'll go back to our hardware, and there's two smaller pins. These are for your armrest, so you have a double security check on your scooter. So there's 3 notches on those armrests to where you can adjust it further out or in. So on the back side here, you just find the location where you want to set the pin, put the safety pin in, and then go to the knob to lock in the armrest so it doesn't move on you. And then we'll do that same thing on our right side of the scooter. And while we're back here, you have your drive and your neutral lever. So if you push the lever forward, it'll freewheel the scooter so you can push it to wherever you need to. And if you're ready to drive the scooter, you just simply engage the motor again. It won't move, so the next time you turn it on, you can drive forward. You can drive it. Go ahead and take off the cardboard box on the back of the seat post. If you like, you can actually attach accessories to this, such as like tank racks, baskets, anything you think you need for the scooter itself. They should all be on Pride's website, or you can visit us at BroadwayHomeMed.com. Next thing we'll do, we'll attach the basket to the front of the scooter. So it already comes with the attachment connected to the tiller of the scooter, so you simply just put it on, slide it down, and it locks itself back into place. Also on the front side of the scooter, if you feel like your wheels aren't moving, there's an extra security point to where it'll lock your wheels, so if you're putting it in a vehicle, it won't be moving on you. You'll simply push that in and turn it, and make your wheels freewheel. Now back in that first bag with all of your accessories, you have your keys for your key switch. Simply put it in, turn it to the right, and you see your battery display up top. Now is the fun part. We'll just put all of our extra accessories into the box. So you have your charger, your owner's manual. And I'll be honest, I'm not sure what's in this box. Let's discover that together. If my knife wants to come out. Ah, okay. So in this box, you'll actually receive an additional set of colors. So they come in black, but they also have a red color feature to them as well. They might, in the future, produce different colors, but for now, it looks like they have black and red. But after that, that's all there is to the brand new GoGo Elite Traveler 2 from Pride. If you ever have questions or concerns, please call us at 316-264-8600. Like and subscribe to our channel so we can grow along with you. Thank you. Have a good day.